Scots, I'm Tessa Agerton.
And I'm Jocelyn Botello. Thanks for tuning into another episode of Scots Weekly.
We're starting things off with the latest school announcements to kick your Friday off right. First up, don't miss Highland High School's drama Almost Maine, a funny and heartfelt play about love under the northern lights.
Catch the show today at 7 p.m. and tomorrow at 2 p.m. and 7 p.m.
Doors open 30 minutes early and tickets are only $10.
Come support the talented drama students today and tomorrow.
Next up, auditions for Hadestown, the Tony Award-winning musical, are coming up next week. Singing and acting auditions are Tuesday, February 3rd, dance auditions are Wednesday, February 4th, and callbacks are Thursday, February 5th, all starting at 4 p.m. after school.
Everyone is welcome and encouraged to audition, and students should plan to attend all 3 days. See Mr. Thompson in room 8C for an audition information form. Plus, class of 2026, senior season is here and it's time to rep your class.
Senior t-shirts are officially on sale through February 10th.
Seniors only. Head to the finance office to place your order for just $5.
Check out the design options that you could choose from.
Don't miss out on this must-have senior gear. Grab your shirt and show that class of 2026 pride.
Finally, seniors, grad night tickets are now on sale in the finance office.
This year's grad night will be held at Universal Studios on May 21st and costs $145, which includes transportation and early park access.
To purchase a ticket, you must have a signed permission slip from the activities office and a current HHS ID.
This event is open to seniors only. See Ms. Barbara Smith if you have any questions. We will be right back after this quick break.
The show isn't over yet, Scots.
Bro, so how'd you do on your final?
Bro, I failed my Spanish class, bro.
What? How bad?
Bro, I got an F, man.
Man, you gotta get that grade up, bro.
I can't. It's just hard.
Hey, my gosh, let's pick class.
Nah, we actually good off that.
Nah, you know what? Let's go to class, bro.
Actually, yeah.
Let's go.
Wait, hold up, Chris. Hey, we're gonna go with you.
Yes, sir. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Sorry, we were, I lost traffic. Traffic.
Just be on time.
Hey Scots, I'm Celeste. Highland is offering free vision care for students who sign up. This includes a free eye exam and prescription glasses with frames. Interested students, you should see Mrs. Rodriguez in the front office or their counselor to sign up. The deadline is February 18 and space is limited. Parents or guardians will be contacted to complete registration. Don't miss this great opportunity.
Hey Scots, I'm Isabella. Are you still looking for a club or a team to join? You're in luck. Our second Club Rush Day is happening next Wednesday, February 4th, during lunch. Come explore the clubs and find your fit because there's something for everyone here at Highland.
Hi Scots, I'm Lily. Juniors, today is the last day to sign up for the school day SAT. The test is on March 4th, but you must register by today. The cost is $33, paid to the finance office. Don't miss out on this opportunity.
Thank you for the information.
Now let's head over to our sports team.
What's up, Scots? I'm Frankie Barra.
And I'm Adrian Quadros, bringing the energy about the sports. Let's jump straight into it. Boys soccer versus Independence here at home, 3:30 p.m.
Girls is away at 3:30 p.m. And we have a boys varsity basketball game here at Highland at 4.
And the girls have a basketball game also at Independence at 4 p.m. We got the Super Bowl, February 8th, Patriots versus the Seahawks. Who do you guys got?
I got JSN going off. Let's go.
Thank you for the update.
Now let's talk about some current Inyo section proficiency winners.
help with an art project or want extra support in class? After school art tutoring begins February 3rd and is available every week for media arts, ceramics, and all levels of art students. When? Tuesdays in room 7H, Wednesdays in room 8A, and Thursdays in room 8B. Time, 4 to 5:15 p.m. Come get help with assignments, build skills, and get one-on-one support from our art teachers. No sign-up required. Just show up. See your art teacher with any questions.
That's a wrap for today, Scots.
But don't go anywhere.
We'll see you next week in February with even more coming your way.
And you already know what time it is.
And always,
Remember to
Plaid up!